Hi, and welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you what 100,000 euros can buy you in Sweden. From cozy countryside homes to charming villas, these properties all come in under that price, giving you a real feel for affordable Swedish living. Whether you dream of nature, history, or a quiet town, let's see what your budget can get you across different parts of Sweden. Let's get started. We start with this countryside home in Forshaga, Värmland County, about 20 kilometers north of Karlstad in west-central Sweden. It is a 5-room villa built in 1915, full of original character. It is listed for 995,000 Swedish krona, which is about 84,000 euros or 88,000 US dollars. The house has 120 square meters of living space, which is around 1,290 square feet. It sits on a large lot of 1,882 square meters, or over 20,000 square feet. The wooden facade is painted white, with contrasting trim and a traditional roofline. A special feature is the glass-enclosed veranda at the entrance. It adds both charm and function. Inside the house, you will find a bright, rustic kitchen, a living room with original wooden floors, and a Swedish tiled stove, perfect for cozy winter evenings. There is also a large room used as an office and a bathroom on the main floor. Upstairs are 2 bedrooms, a playroom, and a full bathroom. The house is heated with geothermal energy, which is efficient and eco-friendly. You will also find a greenhouse, a storage building, and plenty of space for gardening or enjoying the outdoors. Forshaga is a peaceful town surrounded by forests and rivers, ideal for outdoor living. It has everything you need nearby, including shops, schools, and public transport to Karlstad. For under 90,000 euros, this could be your chance to own a piece of classic Swedish countryside living. Next up, this delightful home in Svängsta in Karlshamn municipality, southern Sweden in Blekinge County. This is a 5-room villa built in 1935. It is listed for 995,000 Swedish krona, about 84,000 euros or 88,000 US dollars. The house has 110 square meters of living space, about 1,185 square feet, plus a 63 square meter basement. The plot is 935 square meters, or just over 10,000 square feet. The exterior shows traditional Swedish charm. It is painted in classic red with white trim. This style is called falu red and has been used on Swedish country homes for centuries. Inside, you enter a hallway leading to a spacious living room with beautiful original wooden floors. The living room connects to a dining area and a renovated, well-equipped kitchen. Upstairs, there are 3 bedrooms and a bathroom. The home has been carefully maintained with updates that respect the original 1930s design. Svängsta is a quiet village surrounded by forests, rivers, and nature trails. It is close to the town of Karlshamn and the coast. For under 90,000 euros, you get a classic red Swedish villa with history, beauty, and space, ready to move in. Now, let's look at another charming Swedish home. This one is in Västra Haghult, Markaryd municipality in Småland, southern Sweden. This 4-room villa was built in 1960. It is listed for 975,000 Swedish krona, about 82,000 euros or 86,000 US dollars. The house offers 95 square meters of living space, about 1,023 square feet, plus 59 square meters in basement or auxiliary rooms. The plot is 1,690 square meters, over 18,000 square feet. The exterior is painted white with contrasting trim, giving it a clean and timeless look. Inside, some rooms have original wooden floors. However, several of the original floors have been replaced with new materials. This may be a downside for those who love traditional wood floors. The layout includes a spacious living room, a well-equipped kitchen, 2 bedrooms, and a bathroom. The basement adds extra storage or living space. The home is heated with an energy-efficient system, lowering running costs. Outside, there is a double carport, a covered patio, and a large garden area, perfect for outdoor activities and gardening. Västra Haghult offers a peaceful rural setting surrounded by nature, yet still near services in Markaryd. For under 85,000 euros, this home is well maintained with modern updates and plenty of space, a great option in southern Sweden. Now it's time to show you another lovely Swedish home. This one is in Lönsboda Osby municipality in Skåne, southern Sweden. This 4-room villa was built in 1955 and is listed for 1,195,000 Swedish krona, about 101,000 euros or 106,000 US dollars. The house has 110 square meters of living space, about 1,184 square feet, plus 90 square meters in the basement. The plot is 1,213 square meters, or over 13,000 square feet. The exterior shows a classic Swedish style with a clean white facade and contrasting trim, typical for this region. The layout includes a spacious living room, a well-equipped kitchen, 3 bedrooms, and 2 bathrooms. One bathroom has a bathtub, the other has a shower. Both have stylish tiled floors with underfloor heating for comfort all year. All the floors are new, creating a fresh and modern feel. Some, like I do, might miss the warmth of original wooden floors. A nice feature is the enclosed patio with insulated floor, perfect for enjoying outdoors any time of year, overlooking a green backyard. Outside, there is a double carport and a large garden, great for relaxing or gardening. Lönsboda offers peaceful countryside living surrounded by nature, close to local amenities and transport. At just over 100,000 euros, this home is a great choice for space, comfort, and classic Swedish charm. Now it's time to show you another charming Swedish home. This one is in Rönneshytta in Askersund municipality, Örebro province, central Sweden. This 5-room villa was built in 1925. It is listed for 1,195,000 Swedish krona, about 101,000 euros or 106,000 US dollars. The house offers 120 square meters of living space, about 1,292 square feet, plus 25 square meters in the basement. The plot is 2,105 square meters, or over 22,600 square feet. The exterior is painted in classic Swedish red with white trim, giving it a traditional, inviting look. Inside, you find a mix of charming original details and modern updates. Notably, the house has beautiful kakelugner, traditional Swedish tiled stoves that add warmth and cozy atmosphere. The kitchen and bathrooms have been renovated for comfort. The spacious living areas keep their original character. A special feature is the large enclosed patio, perfect for enjoying outdoors in any season. The property also includes 2 useful outbuildings for storage and a garage with great potential for workshop or hobby use. Rönneshytta offers a peaceful rural setting surrounded by nature. It is about 15 minutes to Askersund and 20 minutes to the E20 highway for easy commuting. At just over 100,000 euros, this home is a great option for space, comfort, and classic Swedish charm in central Sweden. The last property today is another charming Swedish home. This one is in Vackamo municipality in Småland, southern Sweden. This 4-room villa was built in 1816. It is listed for 1,025,000 Swedish krona, about 86,000 euros or 91,000 US dollars. The house offers 152 square meters of living space, about 1,636 square feet, plus 40 square meters in the basement. The plot is 3,110 square meters, or over 33,000 square feet. The outside shows a classic Swedish red-painted facade with white trim. It has a beautiful, sturdy front door and a classic open veranda by the entrance, a cozy spot to sit and enjoy the garden view. Inside, you find fantastic original wooden floors throughout, adding warmth and character. The house also has old fireplaces, creating a cozy, authentic atmosphere. The garden is stunning, filled with beautiful flowers and plenty of space for a classic Swedish fika outdoors. A perfect place to relax and enjoy the peaceful surroundings. The property includes 2 useful outbuildings for storage and a garage with great potential for a workshop or hobby space. Vackamo offers peaceful, rural living surrounded by nature. It is about 15 minutes to Nybro and 20 minutes to the E22 highway for easy commuting. At just over 86,000 euros, this home is a fantastic option for space, comfort, and classic Swedish charm in southern Sweden. Alright, that was a quick look at 6 Swedish homes currently for sale. Now I'm curious, could you see yourself living in any of these homes? If so, which one? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed the video.